Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a WACOM MovinkPad 11 and let me share with you how to free up the storage without removing apps. So let's begin with clearing cache. We have to open the settings and here in this left section let's scroll and find the apps. After that, let's tap on See All 35 apps, and here we've got the list of all installed apps. And basically what I highly recommend to do is to go through all of those apps, especially those which are using frequently, tap on the app and then find storage and cache. So right here we've got this cache section, and basically cache are junk files which are saved by your device, and fortunately they are not really that necessary to use the app properly. So I highly but they are still occupying the memory. So let's simply tap on clear cache and your device will immediately remove it, thanks to which it will release some memory. And as I said, I highly recommend to go through all of those apps and what's happening? Go through all of those apps and to remove cache for them. Another thing which you can try to do after removing the cache is to reset your device, because this operation will, let's say, confirm all of the changes. So all you have to do is to press the power button, which is in this configuration located at the top. So press it long enough until you'll see this menu and just tap on reset. So your device will be automatically powered off and then powered on again. And as I said, it will confirm the changes. Another thing which you can do is to check your downloads, because let's be honest, usually we are downloading a lot of stuff and then we forget about it, especially if those files are, let's say, starting files or something like that. So I highly recommend to check your file manager, whatever file manager you're using, whether it is provided by Google or any kind of third-party manager. Just find it and open it, and then continue. All right, allow. And then find this section which is called downloads or downloaded files or something like that. Just enter it. In my case, I do not have a lot of stuff here, actually nothing, but I'm actually pretty sure that if you're using your device for a longer time and you're using internet or whatever, and you're downloading something, everything is saved here. And I highly recommend to just go through all of those files and check whether you really need all of them, and if not, just remove them. So you will be able to free up some memory. And the last thing which I highly recommend to consider, and I will not really show it to you right now because we've got a separate video about that, is to consider the backup and moving your files into another section. So for example, the cloud or Google Drive or OneDrive or whatever cloud you'd like to use. Basically, thanks to it, you will be able to not only secure your files from, I don't know, an unexpected reset or something like that. You will still have the access to them, and you will be able to remove the files from the internal memory of your device, so you will free up the space without the need to remove apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.